in very bold words. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday appreciated the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh during his Independence Day address from the ramparts of Red Fort.
आज से 100 साल पहले एक संगठन का जन्म हुआ, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ। 100 साल की राष्ट्र की सेवा एक बहुत ही गौरवपूर्ण स्वर्णिम पृष्ठ है।
He hailed RSS 100-year journey and described it as the largest NGO in the world. 100 years ago, a movement was born, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. For a century, this organization has dedicated itself to the welfare of the nation. Through service, dedication, organization, and unparalleled discipline, the RSS has played a unique role in nation building. In a way, the RSS is the biggest NGO of the world. It has a history of 100 years of dedication. PM Modi said in clear and loud words, which was one of the highlights of his 103-minute Independence Day speech, the longest ever made by the Prime Minister. Significantly, the year 2025 also marks the completion of 100 years of existence for Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. RSS was founded in the year 1925 by Keshav Baliram Hegwar in Nagpur, making a humble beginning from a small shakha. RSS today is a big banyan tree. It still strictly adheres to its principles of promoting discipline, unity, and cultural nationalism. Today, RSS has lakhs of Swayamsevaks across India and abroad. The role of RSS volunteers whenever the country has faced a challenging times has been unparalleled, whether that there has been in the case of external aggression or natural disasters. One very well knows how RSS has promptly worked in rescue and relief operations in flood, landslides, earthquakes, and others. It is noteworthy that Congress has always targeted the RSS, always trying to belittle its contribution in the nation building. PM, through his Independence Day speech, has tried to respond to such critiques in an effective manner.